come follow me to the jungle, wild and free. Look over there, what do I see? A lion roaring loud and mighty. Swinging high from tree to tree, a monkey smiles and waves at me. Climbing vines so big and strong, he chatters happily all day long. Marching slow with a trunk so tall, an elephant stomps, he's the king of all. Flapping his ears, spraying some rain, playing in the mud again. Oh, look there, running fast, a cheetah zooms right past. Spots on fur, she loves to race, no one else can match her pace. Tiptoe soft and listen well, a snake is sliding, can you tell? Slithering left, slithering right, hissing softly in the night. A giraffe so tall, way up high, reaching leaves up to the sky. Long neck stretching, munching away, eating snacks all through the day. The zebra prances black and white, running fast, oh what a sight. With his stripes he stands so proud, galloping strong in the crowd. Deep in the river, what's that glide? A crocodile with a toothy smile so wide. Snapping jaws, swimming deep in the water, quiet as can be. Who's that hopping? What do you think? A kangaroo in a leap so quick, jumping high, bouncing around, with a little Joey safe and sound. In the night with glowing eyes, an owl is flying through the skies. Hooting loud, watching near, swooping down, whoa, oh so clear. Oh, panda munches on bamboo, black and white so cuddly too. Rolling, playing, climbing high, waving at us passing by. A wolf howls up at the moon, singing his wild and eerie tune. Running through the forest deep, with his pack, no time to sleep. Oh, the rhino big and strong, stomping through the plains along. With his horn he stands so tall, but he's gentle after all. A parrot sings so bright and bold, feathers shining red, green and gold. Talking, chirping, dancing too, saying hello just for you. Deep in the jungle, big and grand, the gorilla waves his mighty hand, beating his chest so strong and free, watching over his family. Oh, what fun, so much to see. The wild is full of mystery, from jungle deep to desert dry. Wave goodbye, it's time to fly.